To the class. All right, today, as said earlier, that we have done cutting the cotton fabrics. Today we will actually do a Halloween mask onto a piece of fab. Sorry, it's on a felt, right? So the backing was done using a cardstock. So okay, first of all, I will open up the file, the mask file. Okay, this file was actually given by XTool itself. So this is one of their marketing promo, I guess. So let me open up the file. Okay, so there are two tabs down here, right? There are two tabs. There are two different masks, right? So I guess this is the back, and then there is a front and back. So what we're going to do is we're going to overlap them. So I'm going to move very quickly because the preparation is exactly the same as we have done onto cotton fabric, right? But because this file, since it's being prepared by XTool, the setting, everything has been done. All right, the power was at 40%, the speed is at 20%, so it's actually set on cut tab, and the same goes as this mask as well. So the power is 40% and speed is 20 millimeter per second at one pass, so you can be able to resize them if you want. Practically, the for if you want to actually use backing on cardstock, I would actually change the setting to score. Okay, so let's say, for example, what to do is I'm going to copy and I'm going to duplicate it. So this is going to be a score. The score I will actually put on 95% and 10% for cardstock. Okay, so these are the setting that I have done using cutting on a Halloween mask and a cardstock backing. So the felt actually being glued onto the cardstock, right? So okay, I will actually move into the process, and I will go into the laser bed, and I will actually show you the total outcome of it. So the whole process I will actually being recorded, and I will show you the total outcome of it. Right. After I cut the felt, the beige color and the red color felt, the final part will be the cardstock. So the cardstock, when we are done, we just use the fabric glue to actually glue them up, and I will actually show you the outcome of the whole thing has been put. So we can actually inspect the edges. Okay, it's actually fantastic cutting if you look into the edges of it. So there isn't any burn mark. All right, so just look at the edges of the whole cutting itself. So this is the backing. Okay, okay, so there isn't any fray as well, so it's clean cut. It's extremely clean cut.